name is Nellore Lahari. I am currently pursuing final year in the stream of Computer Science and Business System from Kannada Engineering College. I would thank my college management for exclusively providing us placement training from QSpiders training organization, which was held in June to July month in 2024 with a duration of 2 months. We were trained under 3 categories, which is technical language, communication skills, and aptitude. Also, we were given company-specific training, in which we were trained for the specific company in which we need to place. Um, Also, the training has been very effective and useful for us. I would thank my Java trainer, Mr. Akshay sir, who taught us Java from the code. He was very interactive and helped us in teaching the Java sessions in using live demos and hands-on sessions. And he handled every topic with ease and made us understand very clearly. Um, and I would also thank my soft skills trainer, Mr. Chandrasekhar Acharya, who continuously put efforts to make us train in communication and be a good communicator. Overall, the training was very effective, very interesting and useful, and I would also say it is worth it. I would thank my college management for giving us such a great opportunity.